What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. We're doing a vlog today, and as you guys know, if we're running up the vlog, then there's some cool shit happening at the shop. We have a 991.2 GT3 RS pulling up. This is our boy Thomas's car. If you guys know what the Hype House is, or Hype Cars, Hype House was like this big TikTok thing back in the day. All the TikTokers lived in a house. Thomas was the man behind that, and we've been working with him on his builds for quite a while now. So we did some carbon fiber parts on his G80 M3 back in the day. We just recently did a titanium catback on his Lamborghini SV. And some high flow race headers. We haven't shown you guys the content with the car, with the headers on it yet, so stay tuned for that coming soon, because that's one of the craziest cars I've ever heard. But today, we're working on the 991.2 GT3 RS, and we are putting our Catless high flow race headers on this car. This is a new product of ours, and I'm super happy with how the design came out, and I'm even more excited to see how these sound. So this car is coming right now on the trailer. We trailered this car here from Los Angeles. If you guys are in the SoCal area and you want us to work on your car but you don't want to drive it here, we do offer trailer services. If you don't want to rack up those miles and it's a super nice car, it's definitely a good option. But yeah, that car's pulling up on the trailer in just a minute. We're gonna get it thrown in the shop and see what these Catless high flow race headers sound like. So let's get into it. And just like that, guys, the GT3 RS is pulling up on the trailer. Here it is, guys, the 991.2 GT3 RS. Believe it or not, this thing looks like paint, but it's actually in a Nosatec wrap. It looks super good. I think Thomas did a few of his cars this color a while back, but car's great, it's super minimal. It already does have a catback exhaust on there, like I was telling you guys. Not sure on the brand, but we'll check that out in a second once it's on the lift. Car's clean. This actually used to be Tanner Fox's car as well, so any of you guys who know Tanner Fox, this is his OG GT3 RS before he got that current GT3 with the YSAC package and everything. So yeah, overall super clean car, and super excited to be doing some more Porsche stuff on the channel. If you guys didn't see, we just posted a YouTube video recently where we did our 992 GT3 exhaust system. That was the full crack pipe headers and everything. That thing turned out absolutely crazy. The sound on that exhaust is that true F1 pitch. And we do some special design in our fabrication with the way we route the pipes to make these cars sound like that. And we did the same thing, and we kept that in mind when making the 991.1 and 991.2 version. So really excited to see how these headers sound on this car. Even though it has a different exhaust system and it's not using our axle back, we'll still be able to get a good before and after of what our headers will do to your GT3 RS if you have any other exhaust system. Yeah, I don't think it's loud enough. Let's change that. Check out the interior on this thing. All black with the yellow seat belts and the Alcantara wheel. GT3 RSs and GT3s in general, I mean, most Porsche interiors are just so simple. Something about them, it's just like the simple interior, a flat plane crank with the exhaust mode, it's just unmatched. What was that you were saying?
So I'm a Porsche guy.
Okay.
I got a 78 911.
Nice. I actually developed an exhaust system for this, and this is my shop right here, yeah. Okay. It just seemed kind of rude right off the rip, you know what I mean? I didn't do anything to it.
I'm admiring the car.
Yeah, I work my fucking ass off, man. I work 16 hours a day.
What year is it?
This is 2018. Have a good one. Just wanted to come talk to you.
No problem.
Want to make sure we're on good terms.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like bad blood with anyone. I bet a lot of people see me and they're like, oh, that's daddy right there, you know, but that's me right there. Cen-Cal. Yep, have a good one. I knew he was gonna say something. God, got out of his car and he's like, rich kid, and then I went back and had a whole conversation with him. We got the GT3 RS behind me. As you guys saw, we just took delivery of this car at the shop. Got it loaded off the trailer. We're about to put the headers on it, but first we want to hit our classic spot. This is where we do all our sound clips. So right now this car has a catback exhaust. It's valved. So we're gonna give you a sound clip with the stock headers. We're gonna do valves open and valves closed, and then we're gonna give you some driving clips as well. just like that, guys, the GT3 RS is in the shop. We're about to get this thing up in the air. I don't know, I think this looks like a nice next shop car.
Yeah?
Yeah, something like that. You excited to put this exhaust on or what?
Yeah, it'll be cool.
Yeah.
It should be easier than the 992.
Yeah, transform it a little bit.
Yeah.
Make it sound the way it should.
Make that shit sound fucking sick, bro.
Like,
why would you even want a cat in a fucking track car, bro? This thing's not gonna see the street.
Cen-Cal Motorsport does not take catalytic converters off. We do not do that, and this is not illegal. This is a track use only car, and we do not drive this car on the street. This car and everything in this video will be performed in Mexico. Okay, thanks, bye.
Up the laps.
What are we doing today, man?
Putting this shit in the air.
Yeah, then what?
And then I'm gonna burn my fingertips because Bryce got it hot as f.
Yeah.
He actually wasn't even driving it. It just got off the trailer. Yup.
Something like
But we're
that.
putting it up. I'm gonna see what this under tray consists of. It looks a lot less work than the 992. The 992 has a full under tray, and then you have to take the rear, like, what would that be? Diffuser piece.
Yeah, like the trim piece.
Yeah, you have to pop it off because there's a hanger that holds the exhaust. We're about to see here in about 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1. There's an under tray, but yeah, some light for
Look
Nick.
at that. You got 1, 2.
Some light for Tech Nick.
Pop that whole shit off.
Those are some crusty guys.
Yeah, look at this whole motherfucker right here.
All right, guys, so we got the GT3 up in the air. Checked out that exhaust system. It has like some crack pipe on there with the stock valve system and then the stock headers, obviously. We're gonna be putting on our brand new Cen-Cal Motorsport F1 high flow Catless headers. Super excited to see how those are gonna sound. But yeah, Nick's about to start plugging away on this thing. He's gonna drop the whole exhaust and then remove the headers. By the time that happens, our boy Andrew, who's our filmer, if you're editing this, Andrew, just kidding, I know you're editing it. I love you, baby. So he's gonna take over all the filming in a little bit. I got some computer stuff to work on. Get your guys' orders shipped out, your emails answered, your warranty claims fixed. We're always working on things, trying to be faster, trying to make things better. So I got some important work to do. Like I said, Nick's gonna keep plugging away on this GT3 RS, and we'll tap back in with you guys in a bit. So check this out, guys. These are our equal length F1 Catless high flow race headers. I'm super excited to see how these things sound. We put a lot of time into changing things on these and figuring out exactly what design we wanted to do, but overall happy with the outcome on these. And I think we'll be offering these in a heat shielded version and a non-heat shielded version. Personally, I feel like it makes sense just to pull the trigger and do the heat shield as well. And it also comes with the O2 sensor spacers. As happy as I am with how they look, I'm even more happy to hear how these things sound. Hey, before we get into the install, shout out Mark 5 Freak, man. That's that boy.
He's the freakiest of them all.
Yep.
That's where I learned everything. Mark 5 Freak taught me everything I know.
Yeah. Actually, Mark 5 Freak wrapped this thing, man. Shout out that boy. He be doing wonders, man, with that knife.
What that knife do, baby?
What that knife do, baby? What that GT3 RS do, baby? No, it sounds like.
That's a cat right there.
That is not a cat, sir. What's all that restriction doing in there? What's all that restriction doing in there?
Kind of stinks, bro.
So as you guys see, the big catalytic converter, my hand's on fire. And here's our equal length F1 high flow race header design. What do you think about it?
I know that shit was hot as fuck.
It was hot. What do you think?
It was hot as fuck. That's
what do
why
you
I
think
got
about that design?
It'll sound crazy, bro.
Yep, you like it?
Equal length, right? Taking all this
Equal length high flow F1 Catless headers.
Oh my god, bro, dude, that's the best way to put it.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna sound like a race car.
All right, let's get it.
GT3 RS. What?
Got the wing out.
Wang out. Hey, with the wang out, you know what I'm saying? Hey, he's gonna have that GT3 RS.
He got that.
With the wang and the wang. He dead ass gonna have to. Might even have to braid that bitch. I don't know.
All right, guys, we're back, and the quality's better. As you can see, we got our filmer here, and we got our Cen-Cal Motorsport F1 equal length Catless high flow headers right here. The stock headers are out, and we're about to throw these things in. Super excited to see how these sound, and yeah, let's get it, Nick.
All right, little tip for any of you guys installing these at home or, you know, at a shop doing it yourself.
With their GT3RS.
Yeah. This edge right here, this thing's slid on like butter. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these studs, right, came out as a stud instead of taking the nut off. So I just put a little bit of ARP grease on there. So all these are gonna go back in nice, hopefully. We'll see what's good. We got one nut, but yeah, we're about to slap this up. I'm gonna need Bryce to hold this gasket straight for me while I put this up. All right, you wanna hold these real quick?
Yeah, I can do that.
Don't get the grease on your finger.
Oh shit, I got the grease on my fingers. Guys, I'm getting dirty. That's the only time I touch the car. Like, I literally don't touch the car if it's not YouTube. I'm trying to show off for you guys. Oh yeah, this is fun. Those Cen-Cal Motorsport headers are butter, I'm not gonna lie.
Can you grab me a couple more studs real quick?
Who are a stud?
Fucking freaks.
6'7", 6'7", GT3 RS got the wing out. I'm about to put like 6 or 7 of these bolts in, man. Boom, looks fucking good, man. Now you just tighten it up, it'll be done, and then see you guys on the road. Alright guys, the time has come for you guys to hear what the Cen-Cal Motorsport headers sound like. They're on the car, everything's all tightened up, torque to spec as always. Let's give this thing the first start and see how it sounds.
Torque to spec?
I heard torque to spec. Torque to spec.
Good! It's very good! That's what it needed. I can't even hear you. Cen-Cal Motorsport, baby! Woo! Oh my fucking god! Like the AC smells like shit a little bit.
I didn't think it smelled bad enough, didn't it?
No,
It needs some black ice.
It does. What? Oh. I didn't say it.
Don't include it if you don't want, so I'm not saying nothing by it. It just got a stinky AC.
Loud smell. Oh my god. Imagine this. That's really fucking loud. Real loud. I like that a lot. I like that. Insane! Oh my god!
You think it's fine to launch it?
Yeah. Let me go for a ride.
Yeah.
That shit shot a flame!
It just kept going.
You asked for a rolling burnout. That's your rolling burnout.
Fire. That makes the job worth it.
It's a very good car.
Yeah.
And that exhaust sounds very good.
Very, very good.
Cen-Cal Motorsport for the win. And there you guys have it. That's a wrap on this GT3 RS running our brand new F1 equal length Catless high flow headers. It sounds absolutely insane. Honestly, it exceeded my expectations. It shoots flames with the stock tune. I think this car is gonna get tuned too, so maybe some bigger flames coming soon. Overall, I'm super happy with how these headers turned out paired with that other company's rear section. And we're gonna be doing another GT3 RS coming soon on the channel. Stay tuned. We're gonna be doing the same headers, but paired with our version of our full rear section. So that's coming soon, but I appreciate you guys for watching. If you want a GT3,
You want a GT3? I want a GT3.
If you need an exhaust for your GT3, GT3 RS, or any other Porsche models, hit us up. We're working on a lot of new things. GT2 RS, Turbo S, all those cars. Hit us up and we'll see what we can do. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.